Hey everyone, this is Eric Siu here. I'm going to show you how to grow your business, and you're going to learn how to use chatbot advertising to make your business really skyrocket. So without further ado, here's someone from the team. Enjoy.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Justice from Single Grain, and today we're going to be talking about Facebook Messenger bots and the benefits they have for your business. Essentially what they are is a way for your business to communicate with your customers online in a very automated way through Facebook Messenger. This is amazing because Facebook has over 1 billion users on it, and we can use a lot of capabilities like nurturing your audience, building out retargeting funnels, selling your product or service, all through Facebook Messenger in a very automated way. And unlike an automated phone funnel, this is very non-invasive, it's easy for the users, it's comfortable, it's new, it's fun and engaging. So there's a lot of benefits to utilizing Facebook Messenger. So right now we're gonna go into simply how to set one up and build one through an easy third-party software like ManyChat.
The first thing you wanna do is to create a free account. After you've created the free account, connect it to your Facebook page. And once you're connected to the Facebook page, we'll need to figure out how we want to direct people to our bot. ManyChat has a lot of examples, such as using a landing page or maybe a pop-up on your website. You can also use a URL or even a Facebook ad. Now, the great thing about using a Facebook Messenger bot is that you can automate certain systems, processes within your business through Facebook Messenger. So because Single Grain is a digital marketing agency, we have chosen to have a little example of how somebody would sign up for a free marketing consultation through Facebook Messenger. Here's our first welcome message, and as you can see, we're trying to qualify the person as either a business owner or a marketing director. Once you let us know that information, we'll then try to decide what time is best for them to have the appointment at. What's really cool about Facebook Messenger is that we could utilize videos, GIFs, images as well to make the images a little bit more enticing. Once the person relays information, we can then send that information off to an email platform like MailChimp or even another CRM that we're using to collect information. Let's just go ahead and preview this and see how this would show up in real time. Cool, so here's our welcome message, Facebook Messenger. And I'll just go ahead and say that I am a marketing director. I can decide a time to shoot for the appointment. And we have a really cool image that's showing that when our clients sign on with Single Grain, they will become champions. I'll say I want to opt in for 10 o'clock. And now my appointment has been scheduled, and their information will be sent to a CRM, and they will probably get a Google Calendar notification as well.
There are some elements of salesmanship and also psychology that go into building these Facebook Messenger bots. And they also sometimes it can be a little time consuming to optimize and test and really try to get one running at a very, very efficient level, converting very highly for your business. You may just want to jump in and build one out yourself, or you can actually buy one or hire someone to build one out for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Once again, I'm Justice from Single Grain, and we'll see you guys next time.
All right, so that's it with chatbot advertising. If you want more videos like this, just go ahead and hit subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.